Good morning. It's the 7th of September 2012. We've really got an interesting scenario in the markets going on. Uh, to me, plainly, there is considerable orchestration. Let's turn to some facts. The unemployment rate dropped 0.2%, which should be good news. However, the non-farm employment figure changed less than expected, so we got kind of a mixed bag there. Europe markets are up, and I think we got a chance to expect some up. Had a signal to take a short here, but it's pre-market and don't care to participate in that. I'm not don't feel comfortable or capable of that yet. Okay, here we go. Markets open, coming down quickly. I've identified three possible pivot areas depending on where you set your fibs. And we're getting pretty good separation on 610, coming down to resistance on this guy. Could have a foot forming here, and this guy could easily bounce off 4181 and come up. Here's another indicator. We may have a short though if this guy prints down very far. Of course, he's got a long ways to go. Volumes have come up significantly, so we do have all systems go for trading. Okay, I'm in for a short. We had this guy come below, looking like we're going. Got some good setups here.
233 change down. Change up.
We're about to print BB on the rail here, I believe. This is a good on the rail strength. Got plenty of strength on the 610. Coming down to center line though. Okay, we made our target, and it was only 9 ticks, but nevertheless we made our target.
233 change up.
And I got to pay more attention to my ATM strategies. This one, which is labeled well, I think is from earlier period. Anyway, it worked out for me. Price came back up, and we'll watch for another setup. Actually, we're kind of in a still in a short mode, although could have an interesting foot forming here if things turn up, which is possible. We're in the center line area for 610. This could be pullback or yeah, okay, so we just got a BB print right on the line, and that's a sign of uncertainty. So let's wait for a setup. Okay, we got a pretty good move up on 610, but not coming from the side like that, not enough conviction for long. These two BBs here, just got too much uncertainty with the indicators, and let's see where our fibs go. See if we can tell what fibs may be working right now. Bumping on that 50, so this could be the live range. Don't have much support resistance lines up here because this is new territory. I believe this is really high territory. My SR lines don't go back that far. Okay, we could easily have a short coming up here. For sure up here, but even here. Closed above the 50.
153 1597, change up.
So we'll see if we get up to this area. Okay, we're at the deeps on this short range fib area looking for a bar setup, and here we're at resistance. I'm not saying too much over here, although this action could result in more up. Getting a nice 2-bar forming, it looks like, and it has formed, but there's not enough conviction to get into this trade at this time. Not for me. Wow, we got a nice long signal right here, but things are too iffy. Could easily be a short. We have got a real fight going on right here. Volumes are pretty decent, and you know, this separates the men from the boys, and probably dudes like me should just sit by and watch the fun. Okay, we touched this small pivot point we just had. See if we get down to this deep area. Set up an alert in case I'm watching another screen. Okay, we're meandering around a bit. Come back up to this recent pivot, and this looks like a nice bar setup for a short, but again, we don't have much conviction going on. I have to battle the urge to just get in a trade for trading's sake. We broke above this pivot. Could go all the way to the day's high. Got a BB print on 440. That's positive for a long. Could have one on 610 looking for a long. Well, we're right at the pivot line here, so that's a pretty precarious spot to put in a long. I've done it and know how that feels. We're right near this high of the day and getting some resistance right here. Here's the 100 extension. That's another possible point for pivot. Okay, that's all for my trading period today. Let's see how we did. One trade for 9 ticks. It's small potatoes, but they're green potatoes. And why did I take that trade? Had a decent bar set up, and a pretty, let's see, 833. That time we were coming down pretty strong.
1597, change up.
Trade didn't really follow enough of my rules to be a valid one. So anyway, good luck to you, and see you tomorrow.
233.